Hey guys, for today's video, I am going to be sharing a couple of tips on how I make the most out of my wardrobe. I don't really go crazy with my style, so a lot of things can get very boring very quickly. I've already made a video on how I don't get bored of wearing neutrals, but this video is just how I sort of vamp up and make the most out of the pieces that I have in my closet. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. Your outfits can be very simple, sort of underwhelming, nothing new, but you throw on a cool chain or cool earrings or something a little different. Like right now I have the Gemari's new croissant collection, which I'm obsessed with. It's sort of like a bolder, chunkier style than what I usually wear, and the fact that it has this little like croissant swirl detail just really makes it pop. It's not drawing too much attention away from my outfit, but it is making everything look a lot more put together. So right now I have the croissant bracelet on, the pinky ring. I'm not sure what this ring is in the middle, but I'll put the name. It's also from Gemary. I also have this bigger croissant ring on my other hand, which makes a statement without being like over the top. You know, I have my watch, more gold bracelets. I have my back bold hoop, which I never take off, and my second piercing, and then I have my croissant little earrings in the front piercing. All of these little details, the stacking of the necklaces is something that I love to do, which these pieces are also from Gemary. Just wearing all Gemary today. My hair was being crazy, so I just threw a barrette on. All of these little details, these are things that I always do before leaving the house. So the more simple my outfit is, like right now I'm wearing black on black, the more jewelry I put on. One of my favorite things to do is find vintage pieces. You're less likely to get bored of something if it is a little bit more unique. I strongly believe that you should try vintage shopping at least once. I recently purchased my first vintage designer bag, my Fendi baguette bag, and it's not the most unique bag ever. There's so many different styles of that Fendi bag, but I just find that I throw it onto the simplest of outfits, and I just like my outfit so much more. It just has more value to me, you know, than something that I can just go to any store and pick up. Vintage shopping is 100% a way that you can definitely make the most out of the pieces that you already have in your wardrobe, shopping for vintage accessories. So, you know, whether it be jewelry, bags, whatever it is. But if you do not want to vintage shop, you're not into purchasing things that other people have worn, that's completely fine. You can just find unique pieces in other ways, you know, whether it be the fabric of maybe the purse that you want to buy, instead of like a regular leather black bag, maybe a croc stamp bag or something that has a cool texture to it, or something that has a cool color. So I've talked about this so many times, but it is so important when it comes to truly making the most out of your wardrobe, especially if your wardrobe consists of very classic or minimal pieces, or like the same colors over and over again. Adding dimension, you know, having things that you can just quickly throw on top of your outfit. Recently, I like getting regular crew neck sweaters and just throwing it on top of my tank tops for the fall. I feel like I'm gonna be doing that a lot. Or you can get a button down, roll up the sleeves, throw it on top of your outfit. But yeah, just using anything in your closet, things that you use for other purposes, like the sweater, you know, that you throw over your tank top is obviously also useful as an actual sweater that you can wear. And the button downs, you obviously also use your button downs as regular shirts. So multi-functional pieces. Go into your wardrobe and look at everything and see what you can throw on top of your outfit to add a little bit more interest. So I feel like everybody needs to go on Google and find their nearest tailor or, you know, place where they can get their clothes altered somehow. I would start off with taking something to get altered that isn't incredibly expensive, especially if you want to really change the silhouette of whatever you're taking. Obviously, if you're just hemming something, anybody could do that. But building a relationship with a tailor or seamstress is key if you really want to get the most out of your wardrobe. I have taken in so many different things to my seamstress, and she just completely transforms it for me. Go on Pinterest, go to your favorite blogger or whatever, and I'm sure that you'll find something that they're wearing that is similar to something you already have in your wardrobe. If you have jeans that you no longer like, cut them, make them into shorts. If you have something that doesn't fit you, alter it so that it fits your body. If you have a regular dress that you're not crazy about because it's just too conservative or it's not sexy or whatever it is, make a slit in it or turn it into a wrap dress if you like things to cinch you at the waist. You can also get a piece of fabric from the same dress and make something, you know, that you can cinch at your waist out of the same fabric of the dress. There's so many different things that you can do to pieces in your wardrobe that a seamstress can help you, you know, achieve. You don't necessarily always have to purchase new things. You can go into your closet, see things that you have. You like the fit of it, you know, it's not something that you have to go get altered, but you're just not getting a lot of use out of it. Go on Pinterest and type in whatever that piece is and find all of these people styling that piece, something similar to it, in a bunch of different ways. So use Pinterest as a tool, use YouTube as a tool, my channel, Instagram, everything. Like, you do not have to go and purchase new things. Work with what you have. So another thing you can do is go on your favorite website, or even if it's not your favorite website or a website that you even shop at, like all of these super bougie expensive websites, or if you're not into fast fashion, you can go on a fast fashion website, and even if you're not going to purchase from them, I do this, I've done this before, I still can go on there and maybe like the way that they styled something and recreate it with sustainable pieces or something that I already have in my wardrobe. Going on like a bunch of different websites and seeing like their new collections and how they're styling things is a very, very good insight to what's going to be in, what's going to be trending, and you know, you can just recreate all of these things with pieces that you already own. I think that the number one question that I get on Instagram and my channel, like one of the main questions is, what nail polish color are you wearing? And I didn't really dabble into like fun, colorful colors until recently, but I think it is an excellent way to really vamp up your outfits. Like, I'm wearing a very simple outfit again, but the fact that my nails are like this sort of like pale greenish blue adds a little bit of something to my outfit. I've seen the ombre nails, which are super in, which I might do eventually, I don't know. You can also do this with makeup, you know, wear eyeshadow that matches your lipstick and your cheeks, you know, even if it is still relatively minimal makeup, it's adding a little something to your outfit. So nail polish and makeup is always a way that you can express your inner self. Even if you like to dress very minimally and like neutral and sort of boring, if you want to call it that, you can experiment with makeup. A lot of people do colorful eyeliner, glitter on the lids, eyeshadow, whatever it is. Lipstick is one of my favorite things to experiment with, and it can really, really make it look like you put a little bit more effort into your outfit, even if it's not something that you are technically wearing on yourself, it's not clothes. But I really do think that your nails and your makeup is sort of an accessory. So that's everything for this video. I honestly feel like I can sit here and talk about this topic forever. It's one of my favorite things to talk about, just making the most out of things that you already own in your wardrobe. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.